Right, so today I'd like to give you a little bit more information about Harlsan swivels for RC drilling. Typically, problems you might have with your swivels would be seals not lasting as long as you'd like. You've got to change them out often. And when you have to do that, they are really difficult to handle. It's difficult to do the change out, and it can be dangerous work for your crew. These are two of the aspects that we've tried to solve with our design. The first one being the seal life is how do we make sure we've got a robust sealing system that means as little change outs as possible. And the second aspect is when you do have to change the seals out, that can be done safely, easily, and conveniently for your crews, which means as little downtime as possible for your rig. In the interest of productivity, another element that we have brought with our swivel design is the straightforward integration of our swivel with your rig. Our customer feedback on these swivels has been that they've improved cap sealing, they've extended the service intervals, and they've simplified maintenance. And this speaks to the durability of the Harlsan swivel design. From a technical perspective, we have configurations of swivels available to suit top inlets, bottom inlets, and bearing swivels only. We also stock rebuild kits and spare parts to keep your utilization high and keep you drilling. Harlsan parts are made in Australia and we ship globally. And if you'd like to find out how we can integrate some of our parts onto your rig, please get in touch with us.